Hello everyone, this is my fifth video. Today I want to explain Legendre linear differential equations. Here the equation, you see the definition, the equation of the form A naught into bracket P plus Qx raised to n into d raised to n plus A1 into P plus Qx raised to n minus 1 into dn minus 1 plus etc. plus an minus 1 into bracket P plus Qx into d plus an into bracket n into y equal to x, where here d is d by dx operator is called Legendre linear differential equation. This is the definition of Legendre linear differential equations. Then how to find out the solution? You see that to find the solution, here you put transformation P plus Qx equal to e raised to z. How in the homogeneous linear equations you are putting x equal to e raised to z. Here in the place of x is P plus Qx. This is also called another form of homogeneous linear equation. Particular name is Legendre linear differential equations. This is P plus, here you put P plus Qx equal to e raised to z, then z equal to log of P plus Qx you get. Then x equal to, here capital X is function of x, where capital X is function of x. So x, from this you get x value, that is x equal to e raised to z minus p divided by q. This is fx, in the function fx, x is replaced by e raised to z minus p divided by q. So and let d by dz operator is d1, then directly I will write P plus Qx by referring above homogeneous linear equations. You see that P plus Qx into dy by dx, that means P plus Qx into d. In the place of x is P plus Qx, a linear function. In the place of x is linear function P plus Qx into dy. So there we have replaced xd by d1. So here P plus Qx d, P plus Qx d is replaced by multiplying q. What is q? Q is coefficient of x in the linear function. Coefficient, whatever coefficient of x here, that you multiply here, q into d1y. Okay, here extra, this is q is extra here. This is a coefficient of x, that is q into d1y you have to write here. Similarly, P plus Qx whole square into d2y by dx2 is replaced by, or this can be written P plus Qx whole square d square into 1 is equal to, here q square, here because of square, that is coefficient of x q square of that, multiplying q square, that is coefficient of x square whole square into d1 into, earlier in the homogeneous Cauchy-Euler differential equation how you have written d1 into, in the place of d square is replaced by d1 into d1 minus 1 into 1, etc. like this. Okay, only here you remember, identify that what is the coefficient of x here, that's all. That you multiply q, if it is q square, if it is square q square, if it is next cube term q cube, you can write d1 into d1 minus 1 d1 minus 2, you have to write like this. Okay, let us see one example, everything become clear. You see that example 1 here. Find the general solution of the Legendre linear equation. Sometimes it is asked like this, find general solution of Legendre linear equation, or simply solve. Solve means by seeing the nature of this you can understood that this is the equation. This is a Legendre linear differential equations, or another form of homogeneous linear equations. That is here 1 plus x whole square into d2y by dx2 plus 1 plus x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 4 cos of log 1 plus x. Here this RHS is function of x, that is here this is second order Legendre linear equations. second order linear Legendre linear equations. Okay, given equation you take down, write in the symbolic form, 1 plus x whole square into d square plus 1 plus x into d plus 1 into y is equal to 4 cos log of 1 plus x. So you put here substitution 1 plus x equal to z. Here linear function is 1 plus x. 1 plus x equal to e raised to z. This is equal to z. This also from this you get z equal to log of 1 plus x. And let operator, let d by only this much you write, let d by dz equal to d1, then given equation becomes directly, given equation becomes you write directly. Okay, 1 plus coefficient of x is 1 here, right or may not write here, directly you write d1 into, in the place of 1 plus x whole square d square, this is replaced by d1 into d1 minus 1 plus 1 plus x d directly replaced by d1, because here coefficient of x is 1, here 1 into you have to write here 1 square equal to 1, so it does not affects, right or may not write. Okay, d1 plus 1 into y is equal to 4, here log of 1 plus x, you see that log of 1 plus x, in the place of log of 1 plus x we have to write z, so this RHS becomes 4 into cos z. Okay, here note that q equal to 1, comparing with this 1 plus a plus qx here, p plus qx, q is 1 here, q is 1. Okay, so this after simplifying, this takes the form minus d1 plus d1 get cancelled, only d1 square plus 1 into y is equal to 4 cos z. This is a linear differential equation with constant coefficients, second order, but d1 is operator d by dz. Okay, this first you find out, solve a complementary function, you find out by using this auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 equal to 0, m is equal to plus or minus I you get. So here complementary function is written, so it is in the complex imaginary form, complex form, one pair complex root. So alpha is 0 here, e raised to, okay, that is becomes 0, 1, that is c1 into cos z, beta is 1, c1 into cos z plus c2 into sin z. But here only you can substitute back what is z is back in terms of x, what transformation you have taken, here only you can substitute cf equal to c1 cos log of 1 plus x plus c2 sin log of 1 plus x. So this is the complementary function. Now particular integral equal to 1 by d1 square, that is symbolic coefficient of y, 1 by d1 square plus 1 operating on 4 cos z. So for constant you can shift from right side operator to left side, keeping as it is, 1 plus d1 square plus 1 operating on cos z. But here you substitute d1 square is replaced by minus 1 square here. Earlier you know this, minus 1 square is minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0. So when it becomes 0, denominator becomes 0. So multiplying 1 z, 4 z, then denominator differentiate with respect to d1, 2d1. You have to write differentiate with this 2d1 cos z. Then again you substitute, it means 1 by d1, 4 by 2, you can 2 you write, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, this is 2 you write, 2z equal to, then 1 by d1, there is integration, you can 1 by d1 stands for integration with respect to z, the cos z integration is sin z. So 2z sin z, substitute back, z is equal to in terms of x, that is a log x, log of 1 plus x, 2 into log of 1 plus x into sine of z, in the place of z you write log of 1 plus x. Okay, this is the particular integral. Now general solution you get y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Substitute, you write answer both, c1 into cos of log 1 plus x plus c2 into sine of log of 1 plus x plus 2 log of 1 plus x into sine of log of 1 plus x. This is the required general solution of given equation. See one more example. I want to example to solve 5 plus 2x whole square, 5 plus 2x whole square into d2y by dx2 minus 6 into bracket 5 plus 2x into dy by dx plus 8y equal to x. So here p plus qx, p is 5 and q is 2 here. So okay, given equation, write in symbolic form. 5 plus 2x whole square into d square minus 6 into 5 plus 2xd plus 8 into y equal to x. Call this equation as 1. So put here 5 plus 2x equal to e raised to z. So z is equal to, you get log of 5 plus 2x from this. So let only you have to write this much, and let d by dz is equal to d1 you stand. Then you know that 5 plus 2x d is replaced by 2 into d1 here, because coefficient of x is 2 here. 5 plus 2xd is replaced by 2 into d1. 5 plus 2x whole square d square is replaced by 2 square of the 2 square into d1 minus 1, where d1 is d by dz. Okay, so then equation 1 becomes, substitute in the place of this 2 square into d1 minus 1 minus 6 into 2 d1, 2d1 here in the place of 5 plus 2xd, 2d1 plus 8 into y equal to RHS side x. X you find out from this substitution, from the e raised to z minus 5 divided by 2 you get from this. Okay, after simplifying this, 4d1 square minus 16d1 plus 8 into y equal to e raised to z minus 5 divided by 2. So which is linear equation with constant coefficients. Okay, then find out two solutions, complementary function and particular integral. To find complementary function, auxiliary equation is 4d1 square minus 16d1 plus 8 equal to 0, or cancelling 4d1 square minus 4d1 plus 2 equal to 0. This is using formula method. Solve for d1 equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 4b square minus 4ac 16 minus 8 divided by 2a. A is 1, b is minus 4, c is 2, like this. Okay, after simplifying we get 4 plus or minus 2 root 2. Here 2 root 2, irrational root you get, divided by 2. So 2 plus or minus root 2. These are irrational root. Okay, here positive b square is greater than 4ac. Here positive 2 plus or minus root, irrational, not complex. So write complementary function c1 into e raised to 2 plus root 2 z here plus c2 into e raised to 2 minus root 2 z. This is a complementary function. Particular integral equal to 1 by whatever symbolic coefficient of y you take, symbolic coefficient of y, 1 divided by 4d1 square minus 16d1 plus 8 into operating on RHS e raised to z minus 5 divided by 2. Okay, then particular integral equals to 1 by 2, put constant as it is, only operate on this function, separately you take multiply inside, minus 1 by 4d1 square minus 16d1 plus 8 operating on e raised to z, and 5 is also constant, put as it is 5 by 2, but here left 1, in the place of 1 e raised to 0 z you write. So 1 by 4d1 square minus 16d1 plus 8 operating on 1, in the place of 1 you have to write e raised to 0 z. Okay, 1 by 2. So this case is wherever d1 replace by 1, so coefficient of z is 1, wherever d put 1 and see whether it becomes 0 or not. So if it is not 0 you can substitute. Okay, 4 into 1 square minus 16 into 1 plus 8, clearly not 0 this is. After simplifying we get minus 1 by 8 e raised to z by minus 5 by 2. Here we substitute 0 in the place of d. This is also not 0, very clear. 1 by 0 minus 0 plus 8 e raised to 0 z. Okay, after simplifying we get minus 1 by 8 e raised to z minus 5 by 16. Okay, clearly this again e raised to 0 z, back substitute 1. So this is the particular integral. Now complete solution, sum of these two you get, complementary function plus particular integral, substitute these two, and finally write z. This is a solution of a general solution of transformed equation, not general solution of given equation. So substitute back. So y is equal to c1 into, so e raised to z raised to 2 plus root, e raised to z, in the place of e raised to z you write 5 plus 2x, 5 plus 2x, 2 plus raised to 2 plus 2 root 2 plus c2 into 5 plus 2x raised to 2 minus root 2 minus 1 by 8 e raised to z, e raised to z directly replaced by 5 plus 2x minus constant 5 by 16. Okay. Now let us see one more example. Example 3. Solve 3x plus 2 whole square into d2y by dx2 plus 3 into 3x plus 2 into dy by dx minus 36y equal to RHS is given 3x square plus 4x plus 1. You see, discuss this one example. Solution, given equation, write in symbolic form 3x plus 2 whole square into d square plus 3 into 3x plus 2 into d minus 36 into y is equal to 3x square plus 4x plus 1. You call this equation as 1. So put 3x plus 2 equal to e raised to z here. So from this you get z equal to log of 3x plus 2. This is 2, second equation. So and let d by dz equal to d1, then given equation 1 becomes, directly I have written. So it means 3x plus 2 into d is replaced by 3, coefficient of x is 3 here, 3 into d1, and 3x plus 2 whole square into d square is replaced by 3 square, coefficient of x whole square, that is 3 square into d1 minus 1, where d1 equal to d by dz, you know. This all transformation, the equation 1 takes the form, right in the place of 3x plus 2 whole square into d square, 3 square into d1 minus 1 plus 3 into 3x plus 2 into d is replaced by 3 into d1 minus 36 into y equal to, on the RHS side, x is replaced by, from this you find out x value. So x equal to 3 is raised to z minus 2 divided by 3. Wherever x you write e raised to z minus 2 divided by 3 whole square here, because 3x square, 3 into x square, plus 4x, 4 into e raised to z minus 2 divided by 3 plus 1, as it is you write. So after simplifying you get 9 into here, 9 is common, 9 into d1 square minus d1 plus d1 minus 4 into y equal to, so here plus d1 minus d1 you get cancelled. So on the here you get this is equal to this side 9 you get here, square 3 square is 9. So 3 ones are 3 3s and 1 by 3 left here, 1 by 3, and expand this one, e raised to z minus 2 whole square, expand. So you get e raised to z square means e raised to 2z minus 4 e raised to z plus 4, a minus b whole square formula using that, plus 4 by 3 into e raised to z minus 2. Okay, e raised to z minus 2, right? 4 by 3 e raised to z minus 2 plus 1, as it is, right? Okay, into plus 1. Okay, this is equal, this implies that 9 into bracket d1 square minus 4 into y equal to 1 by 3 e raised to 2z minus 4 by 3 e raised to z, multiply inside, plus 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 into e raised to z, here you remove this bracket, minus 8 by 3 plus 1. So plus 4 by 3 e raised to z minus 4 by 3 e raised to z get cancelled. So finally you get this implies 9 into d1 square minus 4 into y equal to 1 by 3 e raised to 2z minus 1 by 3. So this is a linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Now you can solve by using complementary function and particular integral. To find complementary function, use taking the help of auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is here 9 into d1 square minus 4 equating to 0. This symbolic coefficient of y equate to 0. From this cancelling 9, so d1 equal to plus or minus 2 you get. So real roots are indistinct. So complementary function you get c1 into e raised to 2z plus c2 into e raised to minus 2z. Now particular integral, so 1 by symbolic coefficient of y, you say 1 by symbolic coefficient of 1 by fd here, 1 by 9 into bracket d1 square minus 4 operating on RHS is 1 by 3 e raised to 2z minus 1 by 3. This is equal to, if you separately write, operate on this separately, 1 by 3 into 9, this is 1 by 27, keep as it is. Only this operator 1 by d1 square minus 4 operating on e raised to 2z. Similarly minus 1 by 27 1 by d1 square minus 4. Here 1, operating on 1 means 1 you can write in the form of exponential function e raised to 0z. Okay, here 1 by 27 into, here if you substitute here d1 square 2 square, here 4 minus 4 becomes 0. So you have to multiply z here, then differentiate with respect to d1. So you get 1 by 2 d1 into operating on e raised to 2z minus 1 by 27. Here cannot become 0. You say substitute in the place of d1 is 0. So substitute 0 minus 4 into e raised to 0z. This is equal to, after simplifying this 27 into 2 to 54, z by 54 into the integration use 1 by d1 is integration of e raised to 2z, that is e raised to 2z by 2, plus here minus minus plus minus 4 you get, 27 into 4 is 108. Okay, after simplifying you get 1 by 108. So finally here also 108, 1 divided by 108, 1 divided by 108 into bracket z into e raised to 2z plus 1. This is a particular integral. Now general solution, sum of these two, complementary function plus particular integral, c1 into e raised to 2z plus c2 into e raised to minus 2z plus 1 by 108 into bracket z into e raised to 2z plus 1. This is a general solution of transformed equation. Now you have to write the general solution of given equation, substitute back. So e raised to z whole square. So in the place of e raised to z you have to write 3x plus 2 whole square, that is c2 into 3x plus 2 raised to minus 2, that is e raised to z raised to minus 2. E raised to z is replaced by 3x plus 2 plus 1 divided by 108 into z is replaced by 3x plus 2. Okay, that is e raised to z, e raised to 2z, that is e raised to z square, that is 3x plus 2 whole square. Z is replaced by log of 3x plus 2. Z, in the place of z you have to write log of 3x plus 2 plus 1. So this is the required general solution of given equation. These are the example 4 and example 5 examples for practicing for you. Please practice these. Okay, with this this legendary differential equation completes. Okay, thank you.